on here and tell you guys that I have had the most delightful day. It's been really fun. Sorry, my hair is kind of crazy. I think it's the wind and the heat or something. I don't know. But it's just been a really good day. So we woke up early and we went to get breakfast. The American Icon, I think is what it's called. It's really funny. My mom kept calling it the American Idol. She's like, we're gonna go have breakfast at American Idol. And I'm like, I don't think it's called American Idol. And she's like, no, it's American Idol. And I'm like the TV show? And she's like, yeah, American Idol. And I'm like, I don't think it's called that. So then we looked it up and it was American Icon, which is just adorable. So I think I might call it American Idol from now on, just because that's so cute. And then we had breakfast, which was good. And then after breakfast, I went down to the conference room and we had a class. It was a class that Jen Scout taught, and she's just so adorable, guys. So adorable.
In my stash and I don't use them. And so I just wanted to show you guys some ways that we can use these paper pads.
And it was like a scrapbook class. We made like 4 layouts. Well, we didn't finish them or really make them all the way, but she showed us how to make 4 layouts.
It helps to separate the photo from the patterns behind it. And so I often like a white border, cut them apart and spread them apart. So I have this whole 4-inch space to work with to spread my papers 4 inches further apart, right? So I could, if I wanted to, because the paper is 6 inches and 6 plus 4 is not 12. It can go at least 10 inches across the page. Yeah. So what I've done is I've chosen,
and the layouts were all using 6x6 paper pads, which was super cute. And I know you guys can't be on the cruise, but I did want to mention that if you wanted some tips and ideas on how to use, sorry, it's kind of shaky, 6x6 paper pads, Jen Scout, who's here on YouTube, has this incredible what do you call it, playlist with 6x6 paper pads. Love, I think, is what it's called. And she shows you all these different scrapbook layouts that she makes using 6x6 paper pads. It's such a good series. You should totally go check it out. And today we kind of got a taste of that because we made 4 layouts. And I do have some footage of that, so I'll show you guys that if I haven't already shown it to you. I didn't finish the layouts. I'll probably go back and finish them later, or I might just take them home and finish them at home. And then we also had this sweetest little Galentines party, which is like the day before Valentine's Day is Galentines Day, and they brought us like little treat bags and some goodies.
Yep. Okay, and then did you also get these travel stickers? And then did you get these? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, you did. Okay. You need the sequins? Okay. A little row of glittery hearts.
Is that when the land passed out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I might have to put some together for you. I have more stuff right here, but I don't have another bag, but I thought I did. No, she found it. Okay. Are we all good? Okay.
Oh, what do you need, Daddy? Okay.
There's more over there. I found an extra one.
These are so pretty. They got like mints on the side. They got mints
So,
on
the other thing, let me just tell you all the problems I had. The other thing is that I had kind of a little PowerPoint or slideshow to go with my class, and the connector that converts the system to be able to work with my Mac is not an actual Apple product, and so it doesn't work. So one of my favorite ways to use 6x6 paper pads is in layers on scrapbook layouts, but I pushed myself. I don't know how many of you follow me on YouTube. Maybe you've seen my YouTube series called 6x6 Paper Pad Love. If you haven't, I'm Jen Scow on YouTube, and you can check that out later. I have a playlist that has a bunch.
And a little scratch card. And then we played this game. It was kind of like, how social media-y are you? Not really though, because it was like, how many friends do you have on your phone that start with a G? Do you have, how many selfies have you taken this month? Which, that's where I got a lot of my points from. What else? How many social media apps do you have? Have you messaged the host, which would be Jen or Tracie, in the last week or something, which I had messaged Tracie. Things like that. And then you got a different amount of points for them based on which ones you had done and things like that. And I had 212 points, so I won. Yay, I love winning. And I won this super cute prize, which I'll totally show you if I haven't already shown you.
Okay, so, yeah. So, that happened, and then Tracie mentioned yesterday that one of the packages, I don't know, but I have probably 20 6x6 paper pads, and I've gotten rid of a lot of them.
It was lots of fun. It was so much fun. And then we had lunch, and my mom and I grabbed lunch with Tracie and Jen, Tracie's sister Jen, not Jen Scow, and Caroline, who's Tracie's daughter, and they were just so lovely. It was so fun. We just grabbed like a couple slices of pizza at, what's the place called? I can't think of what it's called. Maybe Sorrento's? I don't know. But they have like pizza there. And we just got a couple slices of pizza and some Diet Coke, because we all love Diet Coke. And then we just chatted, and it was really fun, and I just had such a good time. It kind of felt like I was just catching up with like good friends, you know what I mean? And then after that, we kind of separated a little bit, like Caroline with her dad, and my mom went to the room, and then Jen, Tracie's sister Jen, Tracie and I went and just hung out a little bit and scrapbooked together, and it was fun.
That one, so there's no way for it not to show. You're not taking.
And I worked on my travel junk journal a little bit, which was really nice. And now they're gone off to dinner, and I thought I would just come back to the room and charge my phone because it's almost dead, and sit on the balcony because it's so pretty. It's so pretty out there. And then it'll be dinner time. So I'm not sure where my mom is. Maybe she'll come back here eventually, but that'll be okay. And sorry, I keep moving you around. The crazy thing is that it has been so rocky. Like, so many people told me that when you go on a cruise, you can't really feel the rockiness at all. And Oasis of the Seas is like one of the biggest cruise boats. You won't be able to feel it. Like, everybody said that. And I have literally felt the waves like this the whole entire time we've been on the boat. And everybody has. Like, I think the water's been really what do you call it, wavy, and there's been a lot of wind. And actually they had to close down the top floor of the boat today at like during lunchtime, I think, because there was so much wind that I think they were afraid people are gonna fall or hurt themselves, or I don't know, fly off the boat or something. So, but it's okay. It's fine now. I think people are back up there, and it's been okay. It's just been a little kind of like wavy like this, so you just have to get used to it. And I've still been having a fantastic time, and I'm so thankful that I'm here. And a lot of you guys who follow me on social media would have seen that I posted some photos and stuff like that, so I'll keep posting them. And the other thing is that I had put in one of the posts that I was kind of anxious about being on the boat because of all the people and being in new, unfamiliar places. But it's actually been really good, like really good. The line to get on the boat was super busy, and I was really worried about it. But I would say since then, it's been so smooth going. Like, there haven't been really crowded places, so I've been pretty good. The Windjammer has been pretty busy. That's like the main buffet area. But if you just go like a little earlier or a little later, like after the majority of people eat, then it's usually okay. So, pro tip, I guess, if you decide to go on Oasis of the Seas. And yeah, it's been really fun. Oh, yeah. I think tonight we're going to go to dinner at the main dining room, and then we're gonna go to a show. Can't remember which show we're going to. Actually, I'm gonna look it up on the TV because it's on the TV. So let's see what show we're going to. Frozen in Time, 9:15. See? And then tomorrow we're gonna be in Phillipsburg, St. Martin. Martine? Oh, I'm excited. Yay! I'm gonna love it. Okay, so 9:15, Frozen in Time.
You're looking for runs of 3.
Okay. And a run is like 4, 5, 6.
3 of the same kind. Like 3.
So unfortunately, Frozen in Time was canceled because of the weather, but we went to this hilarious game show called Love and Marriage, and I have some clips for you. It was so funny. We were dying laughing the whole time.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Open Theater for the Love and Marriage Game Show. Please help me welcome to the stage your host, your cruise director. Here's Don Whitney. You, yes. Here we go, and action. He's a shy one. Oh. Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! I say stop!
Catherine, you have your health?
Sometimes he just pretends to listen, but then he hasn't heard anything.
That's called a husband. I'll start back with Andrew. Andrew, what part of your body can go by the nickname Tiny?
All of it?
Your whole body. Oh, it's a mess. Ding, 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 kiss, kiss, kiss. Karen got way more specific, Bob.
So what towel animal is this? I'm kind of thinking it looks like Yoda, but I'm not sure. But can you see it? Can you see Yoda there? Maybe it's a bear. I think it's Yoda though. What do you think, Mom?
A pig?
A pig? Does it got a curly tail? No, it doesn't have a tail. Maybe it's a dog.
A dog?
I think it's Yoda.